students to explore pure science and astronomy, we are now a renowned entity among scientists from ISRO, PRL, and many astronomy enthusiasts. We've been conducting our annual national level fest Tarang for 2 years now. In fact, last year we were obliged to have organized an ISRO exhibition in LD. We participate in global competitions and tend to leave a mark. One such event was Mars Urbanization, where our teams were ranked among top 30. Shweta Jha stood first in a presentation competition at ISRO, while Sarkaria stood first in an elocution competition in SAC. We not only participate but organize many activities too, like quizzes, writing competitions, seminars, and workshops. In short, we have something in our stock for everyone: science geeks, budding astronomers, designers, content writers, management maniacs, everyone. So let's get to know more of each other. Visit our website, social media pages to learn more and become a part of this awesome family.
Hello LDAs, welcome to the orientation of Prakalpa Club. I know how hard you had worked to become a part of the LDC family. So without wasting your time, I am your host Jainam Shah, EC Department 3rd SEM, and with me my friend Jashesh Shah, EC Department 3rd SEM as well. I know when you guys were in a school, including me, when we were in a school, we had a dream at certain point कि चलना यार एस्ट्रोनॉमर बन जाते हैं, कि स्पेस सूट पहनना है, स्पेस में उड़ना है, मून पे जाना है. But what happens after that? I tell you what happens. Actually life happens and we stuck to our daily routine and we don't follow up our dreams and we forget about our childhood dreams. Am I right? Come on yaar, I should be right. I have been there, I have done that. Okay, so let's talk about the basic vision of this club. केमा club जरूरी है? Firstly, it is the only space science club of LDC and which encourages young minds like you people to integrate your career in a research field of a pure science. And another thing, the basic mission of this club is as important as creating awareness about it and to the space enthusiasts so that they can develop their ideas into products and have the potential to change the perspective of world.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? अब तक तो आप लोगों ने किसी न किसी क्लब में ज्वाइन होने के बारे में सोचा ही होगा. उन्हीं में से एक क्लब है प्रकल्पा क्लब. आई होप कि आप सब सेफ है और सभी के सभी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के नॉर्म्स को आप सीरियसली फॉलो कर रहे हैं. उन्हीं नॉर्म्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए वी वेलकम यू ऑल टू द वर्चुअल ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ प्रकल्पा क्लब. Starting with it, then let us have some kind words by the convener of Prakalpa Club and head of EC department, Professor Dr. Mihir Shah sir.
Dear first year students, first of all, as a head electronics and communication and convener of the club, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Prakalpa Club, first of its kind, Astronomy and Space Science Club. Astronomy is an amazing and interesting science, and engineering has lot of application in the field. Prakalp is a dynamic and constantly evolving club. So I encourage you all to join the club and explore opportunity in designing various projects in the field of astronomy and space science. Welcome to Prakalp family. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir for such great words. Now let us have some words of wisdom by the faculty coordinator of Prakalpa Club and assistant professor Kinjal Seth ma'am.
Dear students, I, Professor Kinjal Seth, Electronics and Communication Department, welcome you all to this orientation program of our beloved club Prakalp. We have started this club in year 2017 with few enthusiastic students. The objective of this club is to bridge a gap between space science and engineering by motivating young engineering aspirants to participate in different events organized under the club or outside campus. We are motivating, encouraging and supporting the students to take up projects in the field of space science. We often organize seminars, webinars, workshops and fair on space science to give exposure to not only college students but also school students. Every one of you is invited to be part of this amazing journey with Prakalp. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Now let us know more about the club. Prakalpa was founded in year 2017 by Mr. Vatsal Karya, who recently graduated from LDC. So friends, do you know that the word Prakalpa is actually pretty interesting? ચલો એક ક્વિઝ જેવું થઈ જાય. અરે ડરો નહીં, બહુ હાર્ડ નથી, બહુ જ સિમ્પલ છે. Every alphabet of the word Prakalpa stands for the India's creation of which nation is proud of. So if you know the answer, then quickly write down in a comment section. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so પહેલો word હું કહી દઈશ. Firstly, P, that stands for the India's first missile, that is Prithvi. Then moving next is R, that is India's first male astronaut. Of course, તમને ખ્યાલ આવી જ ગયો હશે, world famous person, that is Rakesh Sharma. Then moving next is A, it is India's first satellite. Okay, further hint, એ માણસે આપણને મેથેમેટિક્સનો એક બહુ જ સારો નંબર આપ્યો હતો, જે છે 0. Of course, it's Aryabhatta. Okay, next word is K. She was India's first female astronaut. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's Kalpana Chawla. Then moving further is A. He was the former Indian scientist president and also known as Missile Man. Of course, he was Mr. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, next is L. It is the location of first Indian space observatory. It's Ladakh. Then moving next is P. It is the India's first multi-stage missile. It is Pinaka. Then last is A, which stands for India's first space telescope. Of course, it's Astrostat. Okay, so now just let's recall last 5 minutes of this orientation. So આપણામાંથી ઘણા બધા લોકોને નવા ફેક્ટ્સ જાણવા મળ્યા હશે. So you can just imagine કે like just 5 મિનિટમાં આટલા બધા ફેક્ટ્સ મળ્યા છે, તો being a part of this club કેટલા બધા નવી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન જાણવા મળશે. Okay, so let's see that what basic activities do Prakalpa organizes throughout the year. So first one is that in order to fuel the minds of the young ones, Prakalpa organizes visits to the science institutions like ISRO, PRL, Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center, on which just stepping your foot inside such a space center, you feel really amazing. Then also Prakalpa organizes the expert lectures of the scientists of ISRO, PRL and IPR to give the knowledge to the young minds and also inculcate the students. So it's just amazing to be a part of it. 100 hours of astronomy. So let me ask you a question. Do you guys know that how many moon does Jupiter have? Yeah, it's 79. How cool is that? Also, the 100 hour of astronomy was celebrated on the occasion of 100th anniversary of Galileo, who founded the moons of Jupiter for very first time. So just imagine how amazing it is. And this day was celebrated by Mr. Tanmay Vyas and Canadian astronomer Dr. Prasasti Patel, taking the students to the world of space science. And what could be a better end of the day by doing the lunar observation.
अब तक तो आप लोगों ने सेमिनार्स, वर्कशॉप्स और एक्सपर्ट लेक्चर्स के बारे में तो जान ही लिया, तो ये सब हमारी बेसिक एक्टिविटीज हो गई. बट अदर देन दीज एक्टिविटीज वी ऑल्सो डू कंडक्ट सम कॉम्पिटिशन बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज एज वेल. तो आप लोगों में से कुछ लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन हुआ होगा कि एक स्पेस और रिसर्च के रिलेटेड क्लब में ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स क्या ही होती होगी. सो लेट मी टेल यू कि सिर्फ आइडियाज क्रिएट करना जरूरी नहीं है, उन्हें शोकेस करना भी उतना ही जरूरी है. So on basis of this, we do conduct some competition based activities. Talking about them, then first is Quizunova. It was a quiz competition which was held on 26 September 2018, and approximately 90 students of LD College of Engineering of all the branches participated in this competition. And let me tell you all that even winners got some exclusive prizes of free entry in the flagship fest of Prakalpa Club. Now talking about the second event, then second event is Mars Urbanization. It was a presentation based competition where the participants need to present their ideas about how can we create a colony on the surface of Mars and people can live in there and make Mars a habitable planet. अ ग्रेट पॉइंट टू डिस्कवर, राइट? तो आज मैं लेकर आया हूं आप लोगों के लिए एक बड़ा ही फ्लैगशिप इवेंट जिसका नाम तरंग है और जिसे बनाया है प्रकल्पा क्लब ने। तो आप आगे इसी वीडियो को देखते रहिए और मैं आपसे बात करूंगा इसी फ्लैगशिप मॉडल के बारे में। तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है जशेश, आप सुन रहे हैं प्रकल्पा क्लब के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तरंग इज द सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑफ प्रकल्पा क्लब. Tarang is the only and biggest space and science fest of Gujarat, and it is conducted in LD College of Engineering under Prakalpa Club. That is why it is a great matter of pride for us. Tarang for the first time was conducted in 2018, and it was really a very great success. Talking about that, then over 35 schools participated in the science fair and exhibition, which attracted over 2,000 people. Other than this, we also conducted over 25 events excluding seminars and workshops. And this is really a great number. And most interestingly, the number of people who visited this event for the first time was about 5 to 6,000. इसी बात पे प्रकल्पा OP in the chat, guys. Talking about the second edition of Tarang, then it was conducted on 30 and 31st August of 2019. It consisted of seminars and workshops that were conducted by acclaimed institutions like ISRO, PRL, IPR, and even by the Institute of Vacuum Technology. We have heard that in Bollywood, whenever the first part releases, it becomes super hit and the second part becomes flop. But this was not the same with Tarang. Tarang really becomes successful in the second edition. To prove this success, I must tell you all that over 4,000 students participated in different events this time, and over 7,000 people visited the fest. Damn great number, right? This was all possible because of the team of faculty members, over 90 volunteers, more than 30 event managers and event designers, and how can we forget the core team who made day and night one to get this great success.
Good evening. I congratulate all of you who aspired and joined the prestigious Premier Institute of Gujarat, LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad, governed by Director of Technical Education and affiliated with Gujarat Technological University. You have entered into this institution of higher learning. The culture and ambience will be completely different from what you had in the school. We promote various extracurricular activities of the students along with the co-curricular activities. To enhance the talent of the students, we have various clubs in the institute, and I want you to be introduced to the Prakalpa Club, which was started 4 years back. The club was started mainly for students who have enthusiasm and interest in science and technology. We encourage students to have various activities in the realm of science and technology. We conduct various activities for students, including expert lectures and visit to research institutions. The noteworthy event of this club is the Tarang, which was organized. It's a space and science fest, which was organized in 2018 and 19. We normally call it as Tarang 2K18 and 2K19, which was very successful in both the years. We had overwhelming response from students across the state, right from school and colleges. We could be successful in this event because of the support and enthusiasm and coordination we got from the directors of the ISRO, PRL and IPR and Bhuj Coast also. We got sponsorship from Bhuj Coast to promote various activities under this Tarang. We could arrange various expert lectures, to name a few: black hole and planetary mission and carrier in ISRO also. We were fortunate to bring the exhibition of ISRO into the campus of LD, and the whole workshop premises was arranged for the exhibition. We got overwhelming response from the students across the state as well as the public, who were very enthusiastic to visit the exhibition that was arranged for the 2 days. We also conducted a project exhibition for the students, and we got response from the schools with great participation and enthusiasm among the students. Now You will be here for 4 years, it's a long period. I request all of you to join this club, to bring out your talents, to have more activities under this banner, so that this Taran can be again organized in the next year. I owe my thanks to Mr. Tanmay Vyas, who could bring his telescope and arrange the sky watching session in both the years. So I request all of you to enjoy your stay and enjoy every moment of your activities you perform during this 4 years under this club. I request all of you to bring glory to this club and sustain the activities of the club. Dream, dream, dream. Dream transforms into action, and action results in thoughts. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Talking about the surprise that we promised to all of you, we, the Prakalpa Club, is collaborating with Shri Tanmay Vyas, the founder of Tanmay's Amazing Space, for a new initiative known as Spark. In this, we are going to learn about the applications of what we study in engineering to what we love, that is astronomy.
Hello, I know, it's a new normal, right? Namaste. I welcome you all into a new world which we always thought about. When would I grow? When would I go to college? Here you are. You are in college, so you think you are mature. But are you still carrying the innocence? The innocence of touching stars? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You remember? So many of you must have also thought about going to moon. Somebody might have even thought about having their own telescope. A small one like this, a little big one like the one I'm seeing, or something like this, a big observatory. We all wish to explore this new type of world, and this world is called astronomy. Astronomy and space science. Let me tell you my name. I am Tanmay Vyas. And when I was in 9th standard, I started this beautiful science of astronomy. Today, after so many years, I am teaching different type of students, school, college, university, even teachers. I teach teachers astronomy for past 34 years. So I have little experience in working with students like you who are interested in such a different topic and subject. We can make telescope, we can see stars, we can enjoy. આપણે અહીંયા બધા જે ભેગા થયા છીએ તો એ શેના માટે થયા છે? આપણી ક્યુરિયોસિટીને એક નવી પાંખ આપવા માટે. We need to give wings to our dream. And if you are not satisfied with such small telescope, here we have something very huge. A telescope કે જે અવકાશમાં છે, હબલ સ્પેસ ટેલિસ્કોપ. I know, નામ સાંભળવું અને મોડલ જોવું અને પછી કંઈક હબલ માટે કરવું, this is something different, right? So LD College has Prakalp, a science club, a club which can give you wings to fly. And Tanmay's Amazing Space, which I run, is having super experience of having astronomy and space science as a base. Why don't we all come together and આપણે dreamને fulfill કરીએ? Let's come, let's enjoy this beautiful science. Join Prakalp, join Tanmay's Amazing Space at LD College of Engineering, one of the most prestigious in Ahmedabad. Welcome to Prakalp. Thank you.
Under this initiative, we are going to develop different instruments like automated telescopes, home antennas, and many other objects. Engineers are all-rounders. There isn't even a single field where an engineer hasn't given a solution which has led to major breakthroughs in that field. And space sector is no different. In developing a spacecraft, an engineer is involved in everything, right from designing, manufacturing and maintaining the spacecraft to communicating with it. Let us have a look at what each engineering branch has something to offer. Talking about mechanical and automobile engineers, then they design and make the whole rockets. So yeah, they are pretty important guys. In space, everything revolves around circuits and communication. This is where EC and electrical engineers come into an important role. IC engineers play a vital role in testing and installation of different equipments. Civil engineers underlook the construction and maintenance of launch sites like Sriharikota. Environmental engineers have a big task on their hand of clearing the space junk and colonization of Mars. And the programming of all the systems that are used by the astronauts, it is done by our tech guys that are no other than computer and IT engineers. Chemical, rubber and plastic engineers design the material of the spacecraft which is exposed to the harsh environment of space. The textile engineers take care about the technicalities of life-saving spacesuits. When the astronauts are on a longer space missions, they need to take care about their hygiene. The equipments required for this are designed by the biomedical engineers. Let me invite the president of our club, as we all expected, Sharma ji ka beta Jay Sharma.
So hi guys, my name is Jay Sharma and I am currently in the 4th year in Electronics and Communication Department and I am the president of this club.
Hi guys, my name is Varun Ashra and I am a student of 3rd year EC department and I am the current secretary of this club.
Hi guys, my name is Jay Champaneri and I am in 3rd year EC department and I am the treasurer of this club.
So first of all, thank you for joining us for this orientation program. और अभी तक तो आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि ये क्लब में सिर्फ गीक्स लोग रहेंगे या तो जो साइंस स्पेस साइंस से जो लव करते हैं या तो जिनको IPR, PRL ये सब जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स है इनमें इंटरेस्ट है वैसे लोग होंगे, पर ऐसा नहीं है. वी हैव वेरियस थिंग्स फॉर यू जस्ट लाइक
जैसे कि अगर मैनेजमेंट हो गया, फिर डिजाइनिंग हो गया या फिर अगर देखा जाए तो ओरिएंटेशन हमने ये जो प्रोग्राम किया तो उसका मैनेजमेंट स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंडिंग तक कैसे होता है. फिर डिजाइनिंग हो गया, जो पोस्टर बनाते हैं. फिर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो गया, तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में इवेंट के पहले की परमिशन से लेके इवेंट के बाद का रिपोर्ट तक, वो सारी की सारी स्किल्स अगर आप में है तो फिर आप हमारे साथ आके शोकेस कर सकते हैं.
तो जैसे कि आपने ये सब स्किल्स के बारे में सुना और अगर आप में ये सब स्किल्स नहीं है तो चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है, हमारा क्लब आपको ये सब सिखाएगा और वी आर कमिंग विथ वेरियस इवेंट्स फॉर यू गाइज एंड यू विल श्योरली लर्न एंड एंजॉय एंड होप टू सी यू देयर.
So that's it from our side and thank you for joining us once again. Goodbye, Shabba khair, bye bye.
For more information, you can visit our website www.prakalpa.org and for more interesting facts and quizzes, you can visit our Instagram page ldc_prakalpa.
Okay, so ending this here. Thank you for being with us throughout the orientation. I hope તમે લોકો બોર નહીં થયા હોય અને મજા આવી હશે. So not taking much of your time, I hope to see you as being a part of this wonderful family. Thank you, goodbye.